Hello my dear friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for another awesome Paracord project. For today's project we're going to use this gold Paracord 550, two separate strands, the same length, and the one strand of a black Paracord also 550. The Paracord JIG and the buckle. Also, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet, thin and elegant, where I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, we're gonna start. First, we're gonna take one strand of gold, pull it by the ends, find the center, and then simply take this center piece or a bite and pull it from the top into the buckle, and then pull these two strands through the loop, like so. So on top of the gold one and from the back through the buckle, left and the right side, like this. And now we're gonna pull them together, so we'll have the equal length of the black on each side, left and right. Untangle this here, now pull it, and then from here insert the black into this black loop from both sides, and now we're gonna pull this gold strand through the both cow's hitches, black and the gold. So from the left side to the right side, and once more take the ends of gold, pull them together, so we'll have again the equal length on the both sides. Now we're gonna lock this, cinch it, and proceed. So we're gonna take our gold strand and we're gonna left and the right one, and we're gonna cross them together under this black and the gold strands. So as you can see, we cross them together. Now from here we're gonna take our black and pull it through, then around, and we're gonna return it from the top into the gap between gold and the black Paracord 550. Now we're gonna do the same with this left side black, so pull it through and then return it around and from the top into the loop through the gap, like so. Right side strand and wrap it around the crossed gold strands, like so. Then with the left side strand as well, around and through. Now we're gonna cinch this and proceed. So now with the outer gold strands, we're gonna cross them again on top of the black strands and under these gold strands, as you can clearly see. Now we're gonna take the black strands and once more from the back around and from the top into the gap between black and the gold strand, so through. The same thing on the left side, from the back around and from the top into the gap between gold and the black. From here we're gonna cross our left and the right center gold strands, like this, and then we're gonna take the right side gold, make it around the crossed strands and from the back through the middle, and we're gonna do the same with the left side crossed gold, so around and from the back through the middle. Now we're gonna cinch it. And we're gonna proceed. So cross the gold strands, take the black strand from the back around and from the top through, Now with the left black, from the back, around, and from the top through the gap. Now with the gold strand, around, and from the back through the gap between gold and the black. And the left one also around and from the back through the gap between gold and the black. And we're gonna cinch it. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!